Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is August 6th, 2025, and we're diving into Bentley Systems' latest earnings report for the second quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Bentley Systems, a leader in infrastructure engineering software, has just released their Q2 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Bentley Systems reported total revenues of $364.1 million for Q2 2025, marking a 10.2% increase year over year. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
It's impressive, especially considering the constant currency growth of 9.2%. This indicates strong demand for Bentley's software solutions globally. The operating income margin, however, slightly decreased to 23.2% from 24.3% last year, which is something to watch.
And how did they perform in terms of earnings per share?
Bentley reported an adjusted EPS of 32 cents, which is a slight increase from 31 last year and above the forecasted 25s by analysts. This beat expectations and highlights their effective cost management and operational efficiency.
Subscription and recurring revenue growth. Subscription revenues are a critical component for Bentley. They reported $333.5 million in subscription revenues, up 12.1% year over year. How significant is this for their business model?
Very significant. Subscription revenues are the backbone of Bentley's recurring revenue model. The annualized recurring revenues reached $1,379.2 million, growing 11.5% year over year, which is a strong indicator of customer retention and expansion.
And the net retention rate?
The net retention rate was 109%, up from 108% last year. This means existing customers are not only staying, but also spending more, which is a positive sign for future growth.
Cash flow and financial health. Let's talk about cash flow. Bentley reported $61.1 million in cash flows from operations and $57 million in free cash flow. How does this position them financially?
These figures demonstrate Bentley's strong cash generation capabilities, which are crucial for funding operations, dividends, and potential acquisitions. Their balance sheet remains robust, providing flexibility for strategic initiatives.
What about their debt situation?
They have a manageable level of long-term debt, and their cash flow generation provides sufficient capacity to handle upcoming obligations, including refinancing maturing convertible debt if necessary.
Leadership insights and future outlook. What insights did the leadership provide regarding Bentley's future outlook?
CEO Nicholas Cumins emphasized the resilience of their business model and the strength of their end markets, driven by infrastructure investment. CFO Werner Andre highlighted their inline financial performance and strong profitability, positioning them well to achieve their annual outlook.
And what about their strategic positioning?
They are strategically positioned to capitalize on infrastructure engineering demands, with a focus on digital transformation and productivity enhancements for their users. This positions them well for long-term growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Bentley Systems delivered a strong Q2 2025 performance with notable revenue growth and an EPS that beat expectations. Their subscription model and recurring revenues continue to drive their success. John, any final thoughts?
Bentley is well positioned for future growth, with strong financial health and strategic initiatives aligned with market demands. Investors should keep an eye on their continued expansion and operational efficiencies.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Bentley's performance in the comments below.